Huawei says the Mate 10 Pro is the high-quality smartphone you've never heard of, will deliver it to the subsequent week. Huawei says the Mate 10 seasoned is remaining month. Huawei stated that it would exhibit a flagship cell phone at CES 2018 so one can formally launch it inside the US. We had been awaiting that flagship handset to be the Android Arria-based Mate 10 seasoned, and now Huawei is confirming this. Huawei says the Mate 10 seasoned is the fine smartphone you've by no means heard of, will deliver it to the subsequent week. Huawei will carry the Mate 10 Pro to CES 2018 offering it as the first-class telephone you've never heard of. By means of the company approach US clients, as Huawei's smartphones are already quite famous in different regions around the world, together with Asia and Europe. However, is the Mate 10 seasoned virtually the great cell phone you have by no means heard of? Properly, that is definitely a subjective element to mention. What we do understand is that this is a totally satisfactory high-stop tool, and you may take a more in-depth study it in our Huawei Mate 10 Pro evaluation. The Mate 10 Pro might be to be had to shop for inside the US, through AT&T, as quickly as February. Verizon might release the brand new handset at some point, too. In the meantime, we do not have facts at the smartphone's rate for the United States marketplace, but we have to discover more approximately this at some stage in Huawei's CES 2018 event next week, on January 9. Are you anticipating the Huawei Mate 10 Pro to be launched inside the US?